In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Calendar to your Wix website. This is a great way to keep your site visitors informed about your events and important dates in a visually appealing format. Let's dive right in and make your website even more engaging. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account and head to the Wix website editor. This is your main dashboard where you can access all the available tools and features to customize your site. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice a variety of options on the left-hand side. We want to focus on adding new features, so look for the option labeled Add Apps. This will lead you to the Wix App Market, a comprehensive resource where you can find a variety of applications designed to enhance your site. Once you're in the App Market, use the search bar at the top to type in Google Calendar. This will bring up a selection of apps related to Google Calendar. Scroll through and look for the specific app that simply says Google Calendar. This is the one we want to add to our website. Click on it to proceed. Now that you've selected the Google Calendar app, you'll find an Add to Site button. Clicking this will initiate the installation process, so go ahead and click on it. You'll then be prompted with a dialog box that requests permission to add the app to your site. This is standard procedure to ensure that the app has the necessary permissions to function correctly on your page. Click on Agree and Add to move forward. Once the app is added, navigate back to your site's editor, where you'll see a Google Calendar widget now displayed on your page. Don't worry if it's not perfectly placed yet. There's always room to adjust. Select the Calendar widget by clicking on it. This action will activate the site's editing tool so you can start customizing the widget to your liking. Next, you want to access the Google Calendar connector. This feature will allow the widget to sync your Google Calendar seamlessly. It serves as a bridge between your Google account and your Wix website, ensuring that all your events are correctly displayed on your site. Locate the option that says Google Calendar Connector and click on it. Finally, hit the Connect button. This is where you'll link your Google account to the calendar on your Wix site. This connection enables the automatic updating of events, meaning any changes you make in your Google Calendar will reflect on your website as well. It's a convenient way to keep everything in sync and streamline your workflow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated a Google Calendar into your Wix website. Whether you're managing a business, a nonprofit, or a personal blog, having a calendar on your site can enhance communication and engagement with your audience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using your new calendar feature.